guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Davinci Resolve for free. It is for free. You have two options, the free version or the paid version. The full version, of course, with all of the other cooler things. So we are here on the Davinci Resolve site. You could just search it up on Google and you'll see here two buttons, the two options. And if you want to use the full version, the paid version, you have more and more features that you can use that the cheap or the free version does not have. So we're broke. Just click on Davinci Resolve here, the free download, and just choose which operating system you're using or which machine you're using. I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna click on Windows here. And now it's gonna ask you to fill in some details, but for me, luckily for me, I have some pre-filled in details. So now I'm just gonna put in some my email. You don't need to put in your company. Now just tell them how you're gonna use this product for editing. Obviously, you don't need to add features ask if you don't know anything. So here we are now given the Davinci Resolve, and now we're gonna download it. It's 2 gigabytes. It's gonna take a while, but I have it downloaded already. Now you just need to open this file. So make sure that you have WinRAR or any zip opening app, and just follow all the things that it asks you to do. It's just an installer executable, so it won't be that complicated. But yeah, that is how you download and install Davinci Resolve. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.